Bullish Ethereum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7,276.38 and $15,846.34 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $7,276.38 by 2025. Bearish Ethereum market cost expectation for 2022 is $1,293.58. Ethereum presentation. Decentralized and open source. Ethereum is a blockchain that supports shrewd agreements. The stage's local coin is called Ether. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Developer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Di-Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum pioneers. Crowdfunding for advancement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute extremely durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance offer a large number of monetary administrations without the requirement for customary monetary go-betweens like banks, financiers, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their possessions out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are moreover conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Moreover, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for beginning coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into Ethereum, this guide can help. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital currency. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to fabricate any protected computerized innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for use on the blockchain network, yet clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Adaptable, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Subsequently, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. Ethereum specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the decision, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest hindrance. One more reassuring sign. The cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging movement upholds this. Subsequently, in the event that the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the primary opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or disprove longer-term expectation. Ethereum key investigation. It's memorables fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the securities exchange. Subsequently, by finishing a reasonable essential investigation and taking into account all the data that is as of now open about the task, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of major examination is to determine a resource's inborn worth. For example, you might assess whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inner and outside factors. Ether is significant on account of a few variables. In any case, its helpfulness is critical for taking care of the expenses of all conventions based on Ethereum. For example, the decentralized money convention classes of credits, decentralized trades, subsidiaries, resources, and installments require Ether expenses. Moreover, the biological system of Ethereum DeFi is dynamic and different, as found in the pictures beneath. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance in light of the fact that it is used as guarantee in the decentralized money convention. For example, getting or loaning Ether to expand a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Third, since clients might utilize this computerized cash to pay for items and administrations on the Ethereum blockchain, the second era of blockchains, Ether, can be viewed as another kind of cash. For example, non-fungible tokens NFT, for example, crypto collectibles are bought utilizing Ether. Ethereum current cost. Ethereum is presently worth $1,616.97 USD. ETH has moved 5.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $16,116,804,021. Ethereum is right now positioned 2 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $197,770,465,178 USD. Ethereum value forecast 2022. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The ETH cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2,425.34. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $2,263.65 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $1,940.27. Ethereum value expectation 2023. In 2023, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will before long outperform $4,042.23. Taking into account the market instability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3,233.79 and a typical exchanging cost of $3,557.17. Ethereum value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $5,659.13 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5,174.06 and a low of $4,850.68 in 2024. Ethereum value forecast 2025. Assuming that Ethereum effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2025. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $7,276.02, with a base cost of $6,467.57 and a typical cost of $6,790.95. Ethereum value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8,407.84 by 2026, with a base cost of $8,084.47 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $8,892.91. Ethereum value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10,024.74. In the event that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $10,509.81. Neglecting to accumulate the help ETH needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $9,701.36. Ethereum value expectation 2028. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is